Such history was made on the 1st April 2026, and that this very exhibit was used to search for a location or search for church close Gaba. This was searches using Google Maps anyway.
Yes.
Yeah. Then another search was about Chanja Junior School. So searched about Matuga Preschool. Another search was about Lam Kindergarten and Daycare Center.
Yep.
My lord, this particular flash disk contained document files, which among them was a textbook with the title Sun Tzu on the Heart of War. Search 37 is Bunga Police Station. Was used to search for how long to get firearm license, Uganda. 39, such term was gun license requirements.
What did he search? Under 40?
Under 40, the exhibit was used to search for ISIS beheading. Like beheading. ISIS beheading.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.